It's Friday, May 11th, and we're touring a parking structure, and it's really awesome. We paid $8 to tour it, and
let's turn around and see what else. Look at the rest of it.
Well, yeah, actually, there's some kind of bridge in the background here. Really nice. We're in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're going to the Muhammad Ali Museum today. So we'll continue our journey. All right, I'm ready, Eddie. Oh! Get in there, honey, get him! Come on, get him! Oh! You know where to punch him. You know where to punch him, hon.
Stop it!
Wow! All right. Excellent
Got him
job.
The champion! I'm the champion!
Are you next?
Oh, yeah, okay. All right. Okay.
Just pretend it's me.
Oh, another champion!
Experiencing extreme temperature variations. Think about the attic at home versus the basement at home. That's the kind of variation they're going to see in the temperatures within those rick houses. That's great for a bourbon because they need that heat to open the oak up and pull that whiskey into that charred oak. It's applied in the still. That's why it's the first molecule to start moving along that low frequency sound wave within these barrels. So enough of that over time gets that alcohol moving, slowly but surely interacting with the wood. We can't take credit for this technique, we're merely following the science and the research on it, but we can take credit for getting way more creative with it. Others have just played one low frequency note to their barrels. That seems pretty boring to us. So we change the music every single day. 24/7, it never stops. Anytime an artist has a birthday, we'll play their music. National holidays, we'll play a themed playlist. Staff birthdays, we get to create our own playlist, which is pretty fun. As long as we don't share a birthday with someone like Prince. Prince gets his day. You just have to do a lot of music. So I'm gonna step over here and turn that up. Kind of follow me into the ricks. I'm gonna turn that volume up. You can get